Hello students, welcome back to my channel once again. So in the previous video, we have solved section B, all the questions we have already completed. So today we are going to start with the section C questions, okay? So in section C, all the questions are of 3 marks. Each question is of 3 marks, okay? So let us take a look at the first question from section C. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. Find the probability of getting an even number on both sides and the sum of two numbers more than 9. Okay. So let us first solve the part 1, then we are going to solve part 2. Okay. So what is given in the statement, first statement, two dice are tossed simultaneously. So we know that in dice we have 6 numbers from 1 to 6, right? So the total possible outcomes of rolling two dice is 36. That is, we know that 6 from each dice, and there will be 6 to the power 2, that is total 36 combination, right? So we can write that n is, that is the total outcome, as 36. Sorry, 36. Now let us take a look at the first question. They are asking for the even number on both the dice. What is the probability of that? Okay, so first we have to identify that which combination or which outcomes will give you the even number. Okay, so first part 1 we are going to write, let E be the event of getting, this is the way you should write during exam also, an even number on both dice. See how I have written? I have just added the line, let E be the event. Then whatever is given in the question, I have accordingly written the statement. Now, for even number, getting even number on both the dice, what are the favorable outcomes? Let us write the favorable outcomes. So, what are the favorable outcomes? So, both, when we roll the dice, both number will be even. Okay. So, what are the combination? What are the outcomes? That is 2, 2. Because 1, if I roll that 1, that is that is odd. So, we can completely skip that part. So, we can start from the 2. So, 2, 2, 2, 4, then 2, 6. Then we have 4, 2. Then 4, 4, 4, 6. Then 6, 2, 6, 4, 6, 6. So if we count how many, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So total 9. So we will write number of favorable outcomes equal to, that we can also denote as NE equal to 9. So the probability of the event E will be NE by NS, that is number of favorable outcome divided by total outcome, that is 9 by 36. Answer is 1 by 4. Okay, so this is the first part we also already got. Now we are going to solve part 2, the sum of two numbers more than 9. Okay, so whenever we roll the dice, if we add up the numbers, that should be greater than 9. So we will count from 10. We will not count 9 because it's asking more than 9. If they ask that more than or equal to 9, then we should count from 9. Since they have given more than 9, so we should count from 10 onwards. So let us solve this in the next page. So part number 2, we will write let E be the event of getting the sum of two numbers more than 9. So now let us check the favorable outcomes. So favorable outcomes will be, so sum of the two dice will be more than 9. So we can consider 4, 6, 5, 5, then 5, 6, because they start from 10, right? Then 6, 4, then 6, 5, and 6, 6. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number of favorable outcomes, that is in E equal to 6. So the probability of the event will be NE by NS, that is 6 by 36. If we simplify, we will get 1 by 6. So this is the answer of part B. Okay, hope it is clear to you. In the next video, we will solve question number 27. Okay, thanks for today.